What is the first idea that comes into your mind when you hear the word nuclear? Is it weapon, Chernobyl, cancer, radioaction, or radioactivity? Well, human beings have learned that nuclear is something evil. We are frightened and we are pretty sure that is risky and dangerous. Although many experts claim that nuclear energy is the energy of the future. Over the years, electricity have been generated from different sources. One of the earliest fossil fuels. Natural gas, oil, and coal are some examples of fossil fuels. Unfortunately, they have had a negative impact on the environment. For that, gas emissions, air pollution. For that reason, scientists are looking for other ways, such as renewable energy. Renewable energy is provided by nature, therefore, it never runs out. And there are some important sources like solar, wind, geothermal, and hydro. When the sun is shining, the rain is falling, and the wind is blowing, many experts say that is not enough. And this kind of energy requires batteries that are very expensive to produce energy. So we need another solution. We need a solution we need a solution to generate energy all the time, nuclear energy. One of the strongest point, One of the strongest arguments in favor of nuclear energy is that it protects the air quality. 7 million die annually from air pollution, and nuclear energy has saved 1.8 million of lives to date. According to the Nuclear Energy Institute, there are the USA avoided more than 476 millions of metric tons of CO2, carbon dioxide, in 2019. There are several uses for this kind of energy: electricity, space exploration, food treatment, industry, engineering, nuclear medicine. And for that reason, there are many countries interested in this kind of energy, such as USA, France, Russia, South Korea, and China. Many well-known people have an opinion about this topic. For instance, Bill Gates, who says that nuclear energy is a million times better. And another important man, an environmentalist, who is Stuart Brand, who participated in the documentary Pandora's Promise, said that we should rethink nuclear energy. One of the drawbacks is that nuclear waste is a creation of nuclear is a creation is a creation of radioactive waste, and which is highly toxic to human health. And we cannot talk about nuclear energy or power without mentioning the dramatic disaster that took place in Fukushima, in Chernobyl, Ukraine, in 1986, and Fukushima in Japan in 2011, or the atomic bombs dropped out in Japan, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. And all the environmental environmental, political, economical, psychological, and health consequences that we all already know. Helen, Helen Haldicott, she was nominated with the Peace Prize, and she is one of the most influential women. In her book, The Nuclear Energy is Not the Answer, says that industry is spending hundreds of millions of dollars saying that nuclear energy powers clean, green, and sustainable. Overall, my humble opinion, I think, my humble opinion, there are many energy sources. And what we must do is to explore deeply the advantages and disadvantages, and to take the best decision, and to take the best decision, and to make the best decision. Many experts believe that nuclear energy will be part of our future, will be an important part of our future. This topic, although this topic is controversial and complicated subject, the big challenge of our time, the big challenge of our time is to satisfy the increasing demand for energy. So the big question is how to get more electricity without destroying the environment. Thank you, Madame Toastmaster. I am the Madame Toastmaster. Okay. Thank you so much. Claps, please, claps. Claps for me.